Is it possible to paste CSV formatted data into Excel 2007? I want to copy and paste CSV formatted text into Excel 2007. Is there a way of doing this without saving it to a temporary file first? I'm sure in previous versions of Excel there was a way to trigger the CSV import wizard by hand in this situation, but I don't know how to do this in Excel 2007. For reference, in OpenOffice this just works. Pasting in 2+ lines of CSV text will trigger the CSV import wizard.
You need to insert your data into one column. Select this column, go to the Data menu and press the Text to Columns button. For visual assistance, see this screenshot. Default menu. Data menu.
Mark, aka select, the same number of columns expected to be imported from CSV and import, paste. For example, mark columns A and B, then paste.
If you can produce tab-delimited data, you can paste directly into Excel. If you cannot get them to send you tab-delimited, as opposed to comma-separated, email, this still involves one intermediate step. For example, paste into Notepad. Replace all commas with tabs. Copy again, but at least you don't have to save into and import a temporary CSV file.
I tried to follow the answer marked here, but found no Text to Columns button in the Data menu. Office 2010, Excel 14.0.7177.5000. I succeeded another way. First pasted into a Google Shared Docs table, which did what I wanted without any frills. Then I reselected the same data there, copied, and pasted into Excel, this time successfully with no unwanted conversion to dates. Given all the ways to insert data, it's surprising and unfortunate there is no easy obvious way to paste cells without conversion without saving to a file first.
Microsoft